Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to explore the power of our thoughts, beliefs, and actions in creating the life of our dreams. As human beings, we all yearn for happiness, success, and purpose, and in this video, we'll delve into how we can tap into our inherent nature as conscious creators to bring forth the most glorious state of being. By understanding the profound nature of our existence, the magic of our thoughts, and the transformative power of belief, we can manifest our desires into reality and create a life filled with joy, fulfillment, and self-realization. So sit back, relax, and get ready to explore the infinite state of creation that is within your reach. As human beings, we are constantly in search of happiness, success, and purpose. We desire a life filled with joy, fulfillment, and self-realization. We believe that this state of being is not only achievable, but our birthright as conscious creators endowed with the power of imagination and thought. To tap into this infinite state of creation, we must first understand the profound nature of our existence, the magic of our thoughts, and the transformative power of belief. Our thoughts have immense power over our lives. They shape our perception of the world around us and create our reality. Our thoughts can either limit us or empower us to achieve greatness. It is within our inherent nature to bring forth the most glorious state of being where success, happiness, and desirability are not merely ephemeral fantasies, but tangible realities. We are the architects of our reality, sculptors of our dreams, and creators of our destinies. We have the power to manifest our desires into reality by aligning our thoughts, beliefs, and actions with our goals. When we focus our thoughts and energy on the things we want, we create a vibrational frequency that attracts those things into our lives. However, to achieve this state of being, we must first understand the profound nature of our existence. We are not just physical beings, but also spiritual beings. We are energy, and the universe is energy. We are all connected, and our thoughts and actions have a ripple effect on the world around us. When we focus on positive thoughts and emotions, we emit a high vibrational frequency that attracts positive experiences and people into our lives. The transformative power of belief is also crucial in achieving our desires. Our beliefs shape our reality and determine the possibilities that we see for ourselves. When we believe that we can achieve something, we create a mindset that is conducive to achieving that thing. However, when we believe that something is impossible, we create a mental block that prevents us from achieving our goals. Therefore, it is essential to cultivate a positive mindset and belief system. We must believe that we are capable of achieving our dreams and that we deserve to experience the best that life has to offer. When we believe in ourselves, we create a mental and emotional state that is conducive to achieving our goals. Success, happiness, and purpose are not elusive concepts reserved for the select few. They are tangible realities that are within our reach. We have the power to create the life of our dreams by harnessing the transformative power of our thoughts, beliefs, and actions. When we align our thoughts and energy with our goals, we create a vibrational frequency that attracts those things into our lives. The truth is grounded in the understanding that our lives are a reflection of our beliefs, our thoughts, and our actions. When we become conscious of this power and harness it, we can create a life that is nothing short of miraculous. Imagine your life as a canvas, an expanse of white space waiting to be filled with the colors and textures of your experiences, emotions, and aspirations. Each brushstroke represents a choice, a decision that shapes the composition of your masterpiece. The infinite state of creation is the realm where this canvas comes alive, where your thoughts become the pigments that color the fabric of your existence. When you wholeheartedly embrace the belief that you are the creator of your life and that everything you could ever desire is already present, you step into this realm, into a world where dreams and reality coalesce. To truly understand the power of our thoughts, beliefs, and actions, we must first recognize that our beliefs are the foundation upon which our lives are built. Our beliefs shape our perception of the world and create our reality. They determine what we think is possible for ourselves and what we believe we are capable of achieving. If we believe that we are limited in our abilities, we will never reach our full potential. However, if we believe that we are capable of achieving greatness, we create a mindset that is conducive to success. Our thoughts and beliefs shape our actions, and our actions shape our reality. When we become conscious of this power, we can begin to harness it and create a life that is nothing short of miraculous. We can choose to focus our thoughts and energy on the things we want, rather than the things we don't want. We can choose to believe in ourselves and our abilities, rather than doubt ourselves and our potential. The infinite state of creation is a realm of limitless possibility, where anything we desire is already present. When we align our thoughts, beliefs, and actions with our goals, we create a vibrational frequency that attracts those things into our lives. This is the law of attraction, and it is a powerful force that can transform our lives. However, to truly harness the power of our thoughts, beliefs, and actions, we must also take action towards our goals. We must be willing to take risks, step outside of our comfort zones, and overcome our fears. We must be willing to put in the work and make the necessary sacrifices to achieve our dreams. When we combine our thoughts, beliefs, and actions with hard work and determination, we create a life that is nothing short of miraculous. We create a life that is filled with joy, fulfillment, and self-realization. We create a life that is a true reflection of our highest potential. The journey of self-discovery and manifestation begins with the realization that the very nature of our reality is fluid, malleable, and ever-changing. Our lives are not set in stone, but rather a dance of energy and vibration, a cosmic interplay of thoughts, emotions, and beliefs that continually shape our existence. When we recognize that our reality is but a reflection of our inner world, we can begin to mold it to our will, sculpting the very fabric of our experience through the power of intention and belief. To enter this infinite state of creation, one must first align their beliefs with their desires, for it is through this harmony that the universe conspires to manifest our dreams. When we genuinely believe in our worthiness, in our ability to be successful, happy, and wanted, we begin to resonate with the energies that attract these experiences into our lives. Like a magnet, our beliefs draw to us that which we desire, activating the process of manifestation and allowing our dreams to become our reality. The power of belief is not a mystical secret, but a fundamental truth that lies at the very core of our existence. Throughout history, countless philosophers, mystics, and visionaries have echoed this sentiment, urging humanity to recognize the divine spark within and to harness this power for the greater good. It is through the cultivation of this inner fire that we are able to transcend the limitations of our perceived reality and enter the infinite state of creation. The journey to this wondrous state is one of introspection, self-discovery, and self-mastery. It requires us to cast aside the shackles of doubt, fear, and self-imposed limitations, and to embrace our inherent power as creators. As we learn to trust in our ability to manifest our desires, we awaken the dormant forces within, opening the gates to a world of infinite possibilities. In the infinite state of creation, the boundaries between dreams and reality blur, allowing us to experience the full spectrum of existence. We become the masters of our destinies, the architects of our futures, and the pioneers of our own personal evolution. It is in this realm that we can truly begin to understand the interconnectedness of all things, the divine tapestry that weaves together the threads of our lives into a symphony of synchronicities, serendipities, and profound awakenings. As we step into this glorious state of being, we not only transform our own lives, but also contribute to the collective consciousness of humanity. Our success, happiness, and sense of belonging radiate outwards, inspiring those around us to embark on their own journeys of self-discovery and manifestation. This ripple effect, this cascading wave of inspiration and empowerment, serves as a catalyst for global change, ushering in a new era of enlightenment, unity, and harmony. So take up the mantle of your own divine potential and heed the call to enter the infinite state of creation. Nurture the seeds of your desires, tend to the garden of your beliefs, and cultivate a life that is abundant, joyful, and deeply fulfilling. Remember, the power to manifest your dreams lies within you, waiting to be awakened, waiting to be unleashed. Embrace this truth, and you shall find yourself living a life that transcends the boundaries of your imagination. A life where success, happiness, and being wanted are not just dreams, but your new reality. The journey to the infinite state of creation is a path that leads us to the realization of our true potential, our divine nature, and our ability to manifest the most glorious state of being. Through the power of belief, intention, and unwavering faith, we can transform our lives and the world around us, contributing to the collective awakening of humanity. This journey is not only a personal quest, but a collective endeavor, a shared experience that unites. Thank you for joining us on this journey of self-discovery and manifestation. We hope that this video has inspired you to recognize the power of your thoughts, beliefs, and actions in creating the life of your dreams. Remember, the infinite state of creation is within your reach, and by aligning your beliefs with your desires, you can manifest a reality that is nothing short of miraculous. So go forth and embrace your power as a conscious creator, and create a life that is abundant, joyful, and deeply fulfilling. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content, and we'll see you in the next video.